What's up? So I'm back and I got my little movie thing so you can watch me work. I'm gonna make the finger guard for that knife I hammered out the other day. See, I got my marks where I'm gonna bend it, and it's just some flat stock. I use the tongs even. I'm gonna fire this up. You gotta be careful when you do this, to burn the hairs off your face. Started the forge. This won't take long to heat up because it's just real thin metal. And it's really only going to take me about 5-10 minutes to forge it out. So just a quick little video. You can see how this knife went together. And I'm giving it away on Blue Sky. If you donate at least $10 to Toys for Tots, that's all you got to do. Look me up on Blue Sky, Random Blade Maker. Donate $10 and you can win this Bowie knife. Right now we're doing the finger guard. I'm going to try out the new hammer with the loose head, but it should work for this because it's just a little, I'm going to curve it on the horn of the anvil here. Right here. We're going to use that, and we're going to just curve the finger guard forward for the top and back for the bottom to kind of curl around the finger a little bit. About ready because it's so thin. It heats up really quick. Then we're using the tongs. The other side is going to come back underneath the finger. See, this didn't take very long at all. But I wanted to test this thing out and see how it works for like a longer video when I'm trying to do another test canister of the Damascus, because I'll be going back and forth and back and forth. Can't fool this robot. It's smart. Ready. Just like that. We got us an S-shaped finger guard. What are you barking at? They are the dog next door. But see, that was barely even worth turning the forge on. Now I gotta clean it all up and I'll darken it with the torch to make it black again. But I gotta, polish it up first.